wasn't yours. I'm going back, I'm going back, I'm going back, I'm going back, I'm going back to who I was before. I like me better, I like me better.
Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. So it is that time of the year for Sephora's Fragrance for All event. If you guys did not know, they are offering 20% off full-size fragrances from December 13th to December 24th. So this is the perfect time to go ahead, get some last minute gifts for other people or yourself. I always tell you over here, treat yourself. And because this video is sponsored by Sephora, I'm going to give you some recommendations that you might want to sniff, might want to check out during this time. And also got to shop a little early, so I'm going to tell you some of my thoughts on some new fragrances. If you guys want to know more, let's go. Now, you must be a Beauty Insider member to shop this offer, so if you are not, I will leave the information that you need on how to sign up down below in the description. Once you are, very simple, just use the code FRAGRANCE20 to get the offer. It is a one-time use. There are some exclusions that apply, but you can shop Sephora in person, online, and Sephora at Kohl's. Now, y'all know I never really like to give the same recommendations over and over and over again in these videos, and I feel like this year, the vibe I was going for with fragrances just kind of shifted a little bit, just a little bit, because y'all know I am very much so a gourmand type of girl, but I definitely did see myself, you know, venturing out this year and trying some that are a little more on the floral side, a little more on the clean smelling side. So I feel like I've got a nice little mix, nice little variety here on fragrance that might meet what you're looking for. The first one, I feel like once you start really getting into fragrances, there's no way you haven't seen this, and at some point you're like, I just gotta smell it. Just because the way people be talking about it, I gotta smell it. That is Viktor and Rolf's Flowerbomb. This is the epitome of a floral fragrance. You spray this out and it smells like fresh flowers. It smells like walking through a garden. And I know some people may be like, wait a minute, but no, like in a good way. In a good way, this smells like literally, this is just what I would imagine, you know, walking into a place that's just surrounded by flowers. This is what it's going to smell like, and it's not nauseating, because I think some of the reasons why I kind of shy away from floral scents is because, you know, sometimes be given like the bottom of granny's purse. It can get too overpowering, but even though this is a strong scent, it's going to last throughout the day, and I said it has a strong floral presence. It does not give me a headache. It doesn't do any of that, and this mixes really well with other fragrances. So, you know, if you do want to tone it down just a little bit, you know, mix it with something juicier, something cleaner, something spicier, it mixes well with all of those as well. So this one right here, okay, haven't been sleeping on her. And the next one is another like, oh, I wasn't expecting to like you like that, but here we are, because it's giving floral, but a juicier floral. Definitely springtime type fragrance, but you can get it now, save on it, and then you have it for the spring, because that's next season. That is Acqua de Gioia. Baby, y'all see it. Okay, listen. But like I said, it is another floral fragrance, but very spring, very summer, not nauseating, lighter on the body once you spray it on yourself, and like I said, juicier. So, you know, there's a little fun in this as well. This one, not so much going to mix with others. I feel like if you are going to mix this with other fragrances, you have to keep it like kind of in the same type of thing, you know, other like citrusy or maybe other more sweet-ish type scents. Like, you know, I might want to see, oh, what do you smell like with Lost Cherry or something like that. But, you know, would I go throw in a spice with this one? Probably not. But even on its own, very nice, very fresh. This could be also if you wear fragrance just around the house, like even on the weekends if you're not going anywhere. Another just light scent that you can wear around the house and still smell good without doing too much. Okay, now I know I did say I don't like to recommend the same ones over and over and over again, but this one is just like, she has to be brought out during this time of the year. It is Replicas by the Fireplace, and we done been through this before. For me, no, she does not give smoke. It gives, you know, roasting by the fireplace, like sweet roast, like s'more roasting by the fireplace type of scent. So very appropriate for this time of the year. You know, the holidays, you might be roasting by the fireplace, you know what I mean, with family and friends. But I also get like cocoa beans out of this, like chocolatey, s'more roasting type scent. I like it on me. I be getting compliments on me, but everyone's nose works different, and you know, I can see why. It depends on how it works with your body chemistry. But baby, this, for me, this mixed with Love Don't Be Shy, trying to throw out some of my combinations that I know get me compliments. Baby, I've been putting that on people like, what you got on? Exactly. Now this is a more recent pickup, but y'all saw I smelled this and then I said, oh, absolutely positively, I need to go back and get the full size during the last savings event that Sephora had. This is commodimilk, a very fresh, airy, lightweight, milky vanilla. I know it's gonna go back to vanilla at some point in this video, but definitely one that could be an everyday fragrance, work, school, just to lounge around, anything like that. But also a very good fragrance, probably because it is so, you know, lightweight and stuff like that, that you can mix with other scents and, you know, other categories of scents. You just want to spice it up if you want to, you know, floral it up, anything like that. It mixes really well with those, so that's what I've been doing ever since I picked up this one, and it just mixes really well with my body chemistry and the other fragrances that work for my body chemistry. That probably one of the best pickups I've had this year. Probably so. Okay, and last recommendation is KAYALI's Pistachio Gelato. Pick this up, you know, this summer-ish. And with KAYALI, I would recommend most, actually, I don't think there's a KAYALI fragrance that I purchased that I wouldn't recommend. Obviously, I like some more than the others, but I have no regrets for any. I did just smell the one that just came out. I don't remember exactly what it's called, but it's like a peach bottle. Going to pick that up. I forgot to pick that up. But it smells really good. So you like, KAYALI just does not miss on fragrances. But I bought Pistachio this summer, and what I like about her fragrances is that the name pretty much tells you what it smells like. So if it says pistachio, baby, it smells like pistachio. This smells like pistachio ice cream-ish to me. This is probably the funnest fragrance that I have here, you know, as far as like just in your face like that. But also there's a little, you know, got a little twang to it, and if you want to mix it with other fragrances, you can. This one I'd probably mix with like maybe some more other KAYALI ones. I probably wouldn't play around too much with this one and other fragrances, but like, you know, Vanilla 28 or what's another KAYALI? That's that purple one. I'll have it pop up here on the screen, mixed well with this one. And because Sephora is just so kind, I got to pick up some baddies that I've had my eyes on. So let's go ahead, open them up. The first one is not new to me. We've been through this before. I told you guys this is one, I'm a blind buyer. I don't mind not smelling the fragrance before I purchase it. But I did point out that this one is one you might want to smell first before you know, jump all in, because I feel like it's been very hot or miss with people's responses, and that's because this is one that you really do have to let grow on you, because I'll smell it at first and I'm like, I don't know about that. I'm not smelling what everyone else say that they're smelling. And then, you know, once it kind of sits on my skin for a minute, I'm like, wait a minute, I smell something. I see something. I see what y'all are talking about. So I finally went ahead and got the full size of the Burberry Goddess fragrance. Baby, this right here, it finally grew on me to the point where I was like, yeah, I see it. This is a very vanilla fragrance, very strong vanilla fragrance. First of all, the packaging, the bottle, very aesthetic. But it is, I'm not even at the point where it has to grow on me. Okay, might be doing a little too much. Where it has to grow on me anymore. I like it out of the bottle now. And like I said, a very strong vanilla fragrance, but very just, yes, very, okay. Okay, let's go shopping at Chanel type strong. I think there's also a difference in vanillas. Sometimes you might smell like a winter vanilla, you'll smell a summer vanilla. This is giving very summer vanilla, very take me on vacation type vanilla. This next one, I was just scrolling Sephora's app looking at fragrances, never heard of them before, by Rosie Jane. It is this Dulce perfume. This is what it looks like, very cute packaging. Let's see this. Oh, okay, hold on, wait a minute. I know I technically just sprayed it over the Burberry, but that's because this combination, wait a minute. They're getting similar. It smells like vanilla as well, but like spicy vanilla. That's why I was just saying that like different vanillas give different seasons. This is giving like winter vanilla, spicy. When you put a little rum and eggnog type vanilla, that's what this is giving. And the two of them together, wait a minute, hold on. See, this is why I like blind buying items, because that moment where you realize not only does it smell really good, but in this instance you can mix it with something else that you also just bought and it smells really good. That's, you know, I like a little chaos. But this is good chaos. Okay, and I want to say that this is probably only like $75 for this sized bottle. And because we're staying on theme with fragrance, candles are also a fragrance. I picked up the Forever Mood Sun Kiss and Tell candle. You know, didn't make it through transit, but that's okay, because this is what we really care about, the candle itself. A little sweat ain't never hurt nobody. I don't know if I want to see sweat before I smell something. It's giving sweetness with some twang. I smell candy. I can't think of what candy I'm smelling. I'm smelling candy, like juicy candy. But it's not doing too much, because I don't know about you. I think I saw like a tweet or a TikTok or something like that. It was like, I would really be going for, you know, the like too sweet fragrances for my home, you know, like gingerbread cookie, stuff like that. Like, not so much in my bedroom. So this is like that right amount of, you know, still giving sweet, but light sweet, you know, like your home will smell nice, but not nauseating. What? But it's a, I'm gonna remember it as soon as I turn the camera on. And look at that, y'all. We got 2 more that we can add to the recommendations. I love when everything just breaks out. Everything that I just talked about will be linked in the description down below for you to check out, for you to shop. All the information that you need to know about the event will also be in the description. Don't forget, it runs from the 13th to the 24th. You can also use their free same-day delivery promo and stack it with the fragrance 20 so that you can get it in time if you are gifting for yourself or anyone else for the holidays. And yeah, that is pretty much it for this video. Let me know in the comments down below what you plan to pick up. If you plan to pick up multiple, just one special fragrance that you need for yourself or for anyone else, let me know all that down below, because baby, I can always make a trip back to Sephora. Okay, make sure to thumbs up, comment, subscribe, turn notification bells down below. Thank you all for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.
Yeah, yeah. Yeah, yeah.